Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Read the 16-digit card number and the 4 or 6-digit PIN slowly, then enter them exactly. Once done, confirm whether the cashier activated the card at purchase by checking the receipt or activation sticker. Next, look up the card balance online or call the issuer's phone number. The balance tells you whether the card is usable. If the balance shows 0, stop and contact the seller because activation likely failed. You should now address processing problems. If a merchant's terminal declines the card, ask them to retry as a card not present or to swipe versus chip. Sometimes terminals misread prepaid cards. If the transaction still fails, call the card issuer's support number and request they clear pending authorizations or lift a hold. Also ask the merchant to attempt a partial authorization or manual entry of card details. That often reveals whether it's a network block versus insufficient funds. You finish by securing a solution. If the issuer confirms a defective or inactive card, request a replacement or refund and provide your receipt and card number. Make sure to record support case numbers and the representative's name so you can follow up. If the merchant or issuer stalls, escalate to a supervisor and ask for a written confirmation or temporary authorization code. If all else fails, file a formal dispute with the issuer using your proof of purchase and the case reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.